best business model that exists. There's a business model in America and around the world called private equity. It's a bunch of people with money who are looking to use that money to make more of it. And what they do is they take that money and they buy assets. Mostly businesses, but also other assets like, hard assets like real estate. But in the business realm, they buy into businesses. They buy 80% of a business. They leave the CEO who's probably been working for 10 years, the founder who's been working at it for 10 years, grinding. They leave them in place. They pay them a salary, but they take all the risk off the table. They give them a bunch of cash. They say, hey, you're taken care of. We're going to give you X amount of money for 80% of your business. We're going to coach you. We're going to give you strategy and advice and help. You're going to run the company, and in 3 years, we're going to sell it.
Yeah, I love this video. Private equity is one of the best ways to get wealthy in today's day and age, but here's the thing, most people don't have access to private equity deals. In order to get into private equity, you first have to be an accredited investor. You need to make over $200,000 for 2 out of the last 3 years, or at least have $1 million in net worth. When you get into the private equity space, you'll realize that most people in private equity are pulling their money together and investing into businesses, typically cash flow producing businesses, giving the CEO a big lump sum of cash because they want what the business has, which is stable income. And for many private equity managers, they're guaranteeing to their investors a certain level of return, which allows for you to go into private equity to feel so confident. I love private equity, and it's one of the ways in which I'm building my wealth.